How to solve ttyname failed, inappropriate ioctl for device in Vagrant. When using this snippet, inline shell provisioner, it results in It looks like that other people have found this issue as well. Does anybody know how to solve it?
I noticed that even this message was shown as an error, in red color. The script was executed successfully. A few days later I saw a possible fix and I posted an answer on so. The fix is: maybe you just don't need it, but you can try it and use it if it works for you. As you can see in the commented line above, the ttyname failed inappropriate ioctl for device has been prevented from the Laravel team. Thanks for this one. Most developers would like to avoid errors/warnings when we do development, so it seems like the fix, a possible fix, we needed. Important note, I haven't tested this solution too much, but the box starts without the ttyname failed inappropriate ioctl for device error. You are free to try it, and if you experience any problems, just drop a comment to save somebody else's time.
One. Open/root/dot profile. 2. Remove the offensive line. 3. Replace it with ttyname ;inamp, mesg-in. Happy Linuxing and a Merry New Year. George Hart, LSU.
It looks like this is caused by an interaction between the default Vagrant configuration of config.ssh.shell to be /l, which simulates a login shell, thus processing login-related configuration files such as .profile, with a line in the /root/.profile file on at least some distributions of Linux, including, for example, the one in the Ubuntu/Xenial64 Vagrant box, which has. A better option for this line in that file would probably be to have it say and, given that that's hard to change as an individual Vagrant user, a more immediate solution is to drop the L option from the Vagrant configuration, for example within Vagrant file. Caveat: it's conceivable that this change could have potentially negative side effects. It seemed to work great for me, though, with some basic shell provisioners, for example with apt-get update, and so forth.
What versions of Vagrant and VirtualBox are you using? I was facing this issue yesterday when using Vagrant 1.8.5 with VirtualBox 5.1.4, with UV 16.04. However, after I upgraded to Vagrant 1.9.2 and VirtualBox May 1, 2014 today, the issue went away. Note that, prior to upgrading, as Administrator also mentioned, the script executed without issue. It was just outputting that ttyname failed message, which gave the impression that an error occurred, when actually the provisioning script executed successfully.
If you want to support the channel, please consider